I'm Miss NJ with the Marathon County Public Library out in Stratford, and we had some more excitement at our branch today when, as you saw from the video before, a concrete mixer showed up to finish our sidewalk project. It was so cool to look at, so I thought I'm going to get some more books out on concrete mixers for you today. And here's our little concrete mixer toy that we have. And it shows you how the drum, this is called, spins. And that keeps the concrete ready to be poured out when they get to the site. Did you see that on the video? You can replay it if you want to. They poured out the concrete into the form, and that will make a sidewalk so that when people visit us at the Stratford branch, they'll have a nice, new, safe sidewalk to walk on. So, pretty cool stuff. I hope you get to see a cement mixer in person this summer, and it's fun to watch them work, but always be careful to stay with your big person and stay a safe distance away from any trucks and builders that are working, and listen to them if they give you specific instructions. So I thought, let's find a book just about our friend, the cement mixer. Sometimes they're called cement mixers, sometimes they're called concrete trucks. It's the same thing. This one's called Cement Mixers ABCs by Sherry Dusky Rinker and Ethan Long. Okay. Cement mixer starts to work, and soon he begins to spin a little tune. A is for all the words I'll find, construction words of every kind, from A to Z, just wait and see. But I wish my friend would sing with me. Nearby, Dozer clears some land and gets the site in shape as planned. No thanks, he says. There's work to do. I'll just keep listening to you. There's B for bulldozer and his blade. C for concrete that I made. D for dump truck on the road. E for excavator with his load. F is for the form I fill. G for the gravel dump truck spills. And H is for the hazard lights that mark the sites of construction sites. Crane lifts an I-beam straight and strong. J is for jump as I bump along. Cement waters sand and gravel inside my big drum while I travel. I mix them up to make concrete, singing songs to keep the beat. K's for key and L's for light. All set now, M's for mix before N-O-P. Now out it pours. Q. I'm one quick and clever guy. I pour it fast before it dries. R is for the road we've made. S for sun that starts to fade. Now, teamwork, that's an awesome T. The teamworkest mixer. Yep, that's me. Bulldozer tries to stay stern and proud, but hearing this makes him laugh out loud. U, I look up and see the moon. I know it will be nighttime soon. V, it's getting very dark. I'll stop my drum. It's time to park. And after a day of messy fun, W is for wash my drum. Look, bulldozer, we're all done. X marks the spot where I will rest and dream about what we'll do next. Why, for yawn. It's time for bed. My singing's done. I'll sleep instead. But you didn't finish ABC. You forgot about the letter Z. Bulldozer chuckles at his friend. I guess that's Z, so that's the end. Z for sleeping. Z. Oh, that cute book. All right. Well, we have a little song we can sing about a cement mixer that I'd like to teach you today. Are you ready? You'll know the tune, so you can sing along and we'll do some actions with them, okay? All right, here we go. Are you ready? I'm a big cement mixer. I spin and have fun. Here is my chute. Here is my drum. When the crew is ready, hear me shout. Put my chute down and pour the concrete out. Good job! Yay! All right, time for one more truck book. Are you ready? This one's called Love is a Truck. And this one has words by Amy Noveski and pictures by Sarah Gillingham. Love is a truck, shiny and new. Lights and sirens that go woo, woo, woo. Love is a fire engine, red as a heart. A ladder truck, spotted dog in the back. Love is a dump truck, rounded with dirt. A bulldozer, a digger, a rolling cement mixer. Love is a loader. Love is a lifter. A truck on a truck, a flatbed trailer. Love is an ice cream truck. The sweetest truck of all. Love is a kid who lines them all up, biggest to smallest, color by color. A truck parade. Oh, look at all those trucks in the truck parade. Was fun. Maybe if you have some trucks in your toy collection at home, you could make a truck parade today. That'd be fun. Line them up by size or by color. Love is a truck to tuck into bed. Hold tight. Lucky truck. Good night. That was a fun book too. Well, it was great being with you again, and I hope you enjoyed talking about trucks some more, and be sure to look for them as we start our late spring and summer here, and have fun seeing what you see out there. And I'm going to end this with a little more video for you of them fixing our sidewalk. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye.